Hey world, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Probably for myself life, and I want to look at this device right here. The Alcatel 3, which is available at Digital Solution for 379 bucks. Only 379 bucks. And the reason why I say only 379 bucks is because this device is surprisingly good. It's surprisingly fantastic. It is. I have little to no complaints about this device. First off, let me show you. We got a fingerprint reader here. So, check this out. Fast. Hey, that's great. If there's one gripe, there's one issue I have with this is the bottom here. I don't know if it's this unit, if this device, if it's only here, but it has a little issue. For example, I will just, you see, easily touch back. I think this is a display issue, just the bottom, but the other side is good. So I believe this here is a little fault, is a little flaw. It could be. I'm just hoping it's just my device and it's not a widespread issue, and maybe a software update could fix it. But I feel it's a screen issue, a build issue, if that. That's the only gripe I got with this. But apart from that, the overall build is fantastic. It's plastic. We don't expect much from a device in that price range. I don't expect much for that. So I'm happy. I'm good. And also the launcher it comes with, my Google feed to the left. So I'm cool. I'm fantastic. Yeah, that's about it. Everything else is snappy. The volume rocker, the power button, and the power button is textured. So in case you can tell the difference in the volume and the power button, which is a nice touch. This Alcatel 3, this got little features for a device at that price range. I really can't complain with it. Performance wise, I've been happy with it. It's not mind-blowing, it's not super fast, it doesn't have the best processor, it only has 2 gigs of RAM, but it's snappy, especially on LTE performance. I put in the description below, there's a link. You're gonna see there's LTE speed test within this for this device and my home Wi-Fi, and digital LTE is fantastic on this device. Is great. I can open my Instagram feed, I can do everything. It's great, it's fantastic, it's wonderful. I mean, I can't complain about LTE speeds with this device. Again, the speed test is below. I'm gonna open all the apps and everything, and you're gonna see how well it performs. And apart from that, opening apps is is snappy, quite good actually. Let me I turned off the Wi-Fi. I didn't want too many notifications. I'm gonna put it back on. This is how quickly apps open up, not just on LTE but also on Wi-Fi. Look, you see notification already coming in. Okay, get out of the way. As you can see, yeah, the apps load pretty fast. Open up my Swarm, my check-in app. They load good. It's not super fast. It's not the fastest processor, like I said, but it's still super quick. Apps load pretty nice, really nice. The camera quality has been good on there. I can't really complain too much about the camera. It's not mind-blowing, it's not of high quality of my current device, my Redmi Note 5 or Galaxies or whatever, but at that price range, 379 EC, which roughly equates to just a little over 100 US. This device the camera is rather surprising. surprisingly good. It has a front-facing flash and everything, and the camera quality and the good light is fantastic. Under poor light, you don't under low light, don't expect you're gonna ask for miracles right there. You're gonna ask for miracles. So I'm happy, I'm good, I'm safe. I'm happy with the camera. I didn't expect much from it, but it performed brilliantly. It performed, I wouldn't say brilliant, it performed adequately. It performed good enough for a device under that price range. So, what else can I talk about? Battery life. Battery life has been stellar. It has a HD plus display, which is 720p, roughly about that, and I can't really complain. It will take me throughout my day without an issue, without a problem. I go through my day. I will end my day with battery life, which you can't, and once again, like I said, you cannot go wrong. This device surprised me so much in my hands on time, my time with it, my use of it. It surprised me really, really, really well. Sound quality on there, the speaker is pretty loud, I must say. Sound air call quality is also good. It's also fantastic. You can't, I mean, my opinion is just call quality. Everybody can hear me clearly, and I can also hear my users clearly. Hey world, Bradley from Myself Life, and look what I got with me tonight. Yeah, now this is the Alcatel 3. I got this device. Good to see. Oh, yeah, that's my unboxing. If you didn't see it, link in the description again below. Check it out. This phone has a couple little extra features. I like the little touch, I must say. The front-facing camera, it has a LED flash, so nighttime selfies, okay, you're right. A device with 2 gigs of RAM, I find it keeps apps in memory pretty well. Okay, yeah, it does. Surprisingly, it does. I'll have 6 or 7 apps open, and it wouldn't slow down. And I go past that, then I would feel it'll slow down quite a bit, right? I would feel it quite a bit. Excuse me. What else can I talk about? It has a cool, and if you swipe down on the fingerprint reader at the back here, you can pull on the notification shade. Also, when you're taking selfies, you can also use it. Press it and it will take a selfie. Right? Which is cool, which is great, fantastic. But one cool feature I like here, and the camera also has a night painting feature. If we go into hair, that's extra. Let me go into this light trace. This is cool. And look at this. It has auto, it has a panorama, it has time lapse, it has social, it has light trace. Light trace is cool. I like light trace. I love that. I love light trace. Those are nice extended pictures, extended lights. Fantastic. That's a nice little vision. You don't get that on premium devices. You don't really get it, and it's there. So it's great. It's there. So I can't complain. Let me show you a nice little feature I have on this app, which in this I like. This color catcher. It's available in the Play Store. If you want, you can go look for it. But this came pre-installed. And what it does, let me fix it up here. what it does is, for example, this box, that means box into view, right? So if I do this, what this does is give you a theme. Yeah, a cool little theme. It does. So if I apply the theme, there we go. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So also, like, it's the sound quality also for the headphones are good. My calls are good. My calls are great. And overall, and the fingerprint reader, snappy. Snappy. Face and lock is also snappy on there. It's surprisingly quick. It surprised me as to how quick it actually unlocked the device. And the good light, and the good light, poor light, forget about it. But overall, I enjoyed my time with this little Alcatel 3. Thank you, Digicel, for hooking me up with this device. So, until next time, Bradley from My Cell Life.